Guys, sorry about the wind. Fixing to go to Alabama. We're going to buy my first truck back that I had when I was 16 years old. We got the trailer loaded up here. Right along with us. Hey guys, give you a little update here. We're around Flintville, Tennessee, I believe. We're close to the Alabama line. Well, matter of fact, there it is. Madison County, Alabama. Going to pick up my first truck. Like I told you guys earlier. Give you some updates along the way. Dang, Joe Biden back in office. Guys, we stopped to get some gas. Check our load back in the trailer. Make sure she's secure. Yeah, ain't going nowhere. Anyway, I want to show y'all what just pulled up here. Nice little Ranger like the one we're going to pick up. Got the Scar 15 in there. Elon Musk must be down here in Huntsville, Alabama. I think it's one of his rocket ships. They're fixing to send that thing into orbit, son. We know we're in Alabama. We seen two cousins kissing back there at the Waffle House. I think that's a space center down here in Huntsville, Alabama. Oh, look at this rocket over here, Caleb. She riding piggyback, son. Ricky Wayne coming to you live at 5 down in the Birmingham, Alabama. We're gonna get that Ford Ranger. I know that truck is no stranger. That's Ricky Wayne's Ranger. Come on. Ricky Wayne don't stop for nothing. There's Ricky Wayne in there. Oh, hallelujah. We have made it to the promised land. There's the old Danger Ranger.
Danger Ranger.
Ricky Wayne winning. Guys, we're 16 again. So our buddy Sean here, we're getting a Ranger from. He's got a nice little low rider. We're gonna film it here. Ricky Wayne in there. Ricky Wayne gonna have to step his game up to get like that.
Yeah, I just narrowed the rear end. That was the last thing I did, was narrow the rear end. So I haven't got used to it, because before I had to raise it kind of high. So that's what the bed ain't on there.
Did you do all this fabrication yourself?
Yes and no.
Gotcha.
So I bought the truck done, but I redid it.
I got you.
Essentially everything. Well, I have redone everything. Besides the step notch. Step notch is probably the only thing that's still on. Cheers, not that nice though, so I can lay it out. Yeah, it's gonna be like, you ever watch that thing? Because I was shopping for like an online magazine, I don't know, about 2 months ago, right before I redone the rear end. I just ran some dude at the same Quick Trip y'all stopped at. He's like, hey man, can I shoot your truck? I'm like, it's dirty. He's like, I don't care.
That's right. Makes good content. Hey guys, Tuesday, March 16th. We made it back from Alabama with the Ranger. We're gonna get it unloaded here and do a little walk around. Maybe go for a little test drive in it. Done got cold here. I was on the lake Saturday. Went and got this truck Sunday. It's Tuesday. Monday we had some snow, but it's now Tuesday. So it's kind of chilly out here today. We're gonna get at it, get this thing off the trailer. Here. We'll air this tire up a little bit before we get started. Here's the inside of the old girl. She's pretty clean. Get that heat turned on. It's cold out here. That down there so I lose it. That'll be good. Who thinks this cigarette lighter's gonna work? Uh-oh. Comment if you think this is gonna work. Oh yeah, we're good. Ooh, set the truck light warms up. Alright guys, we're gonna take the old girl down the road. Got a little ditch right here. did it all for the gram, baby. Holy smokes, the Ranger will light them tires up. There's the old Happy Mark. Funny story. Whenever we was heading out to get this truck, I stopped there to get some gas. And whenever I got ready to leave, I got in the truck, took off, and I forgot to pull the nozzle out of the truck. It ripped that thing right out of the gas pump, son. Heat works really well. Temperature gauge does not work. I hope we ain't overheating.
You'll figure it out soon enough. It don't ride that bad.
Not till you hit a bump.
Does it just bounce?
Yeah.
I can see that. You gonna get on it or what?
Son, I just roasted the tires plumb off of it.
Why don't you just get on it? That's probably not the place to get on it.
Give her a good shakedown. Oh, we got a hot rod, son. 0 to 60 in like 20 seconds.
Your ABS lights on.
Yeah.
Do you got brakes?
We know we'll get ready to stop.
I reckon.
We don't need brakes where we're going. She seems to run pretty good.
Look at them. They got stock speakers in.
I don't know. It's got some good mids and highs. I'm not sure if they're stock or not. Sean, if you're watching this video, comment. Do you know what's in the speakers? I know they're 5x7 stock. They've been replaced or not?
Better play some copyright-free music.
Gonna take all my money. They're gonna mess me up with my 26 subscribers, son.
I'm gonna charge you money.
I'm about charged out. I guess that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure you like and subscribe. Help us grow this channel together. See what we're going to do to this Ranger. If anybody got anything they'd like to see on this, let us know, and we'll try to get to it as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.